blue sky over there.
Can we get to the eye of the storm already? I hate this part.
Wow. Now that's a downspout. First you mock the storm, and then you fear the storm. Eh?
Yeah.
Lived in Michigan for too long.
You did If you say about wrong, I'm gonna laugh so hard.
I'm not going to say about wrong. I will if I'm mocking my Canadian friends. I'll say a boot. I'm just kidding. Something in his room.
What?
He might be blowing in his window or something. Just gonna leave some water. For sure. This fly's on the outside of the screen. I'm so glad I put a screen on. Look at the fly. No, you can't see it. It's on the outside of the screen, a little bugger.
I don't want to jump the gun, but I'm just nervous. I don't want anything to happen to my baby.
Oh, it's just raining. No thunder. I think the thunder's in front of the storm, or the lightning. Think them plants right there are happy? Protected from the worst of the wind. Look at this one. You would think it'd give us a crap ton of water in our barrels, but it doesn't always work that way. And then which way it's coming. There's a barrel back there.
If the rain slows down, I'm going to need the baby. The chicken might be fine. She's got a husband, but I don't know. The only surviving one, Mom.
That was a good crack. Now that's some rain. Let's see how long it lasts though. Good old monsoon storm. It's far enough where you see that fly trying to take the limelight. Dad's at home, don't worry. He's probably not even getting the storm, babe. Yeah, our clothesline blowing all the way out there.
Mom.
Well, coming on 5 minutes now, raining like this. It's gonna leave some rain. That's what keeps us from getting off the property. We don't need to, but the windows are already up, bud.
Yeah. Have fun. I
Whoa, that's alright. Get away from the door. Everything that's out there is fine. Ooh, that was a loud one. Let's get the flies off the window for a second. Ready? Shoo, fly! Oh, I feel the mist on me. It feels so good.
Ah. Him, I die.
It's waterproof, pal. Boy, look at the rain. Yep, there's puddles already. Guess we'll go visit the valley tomorrow and see what's there. That one was pretty close. Went in a mile or two, but what was that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Okay, let you know how it goes.
You
Dang it,
bet.
that's the driveway. I don't know if it'll clear up. Water sitting on the ground because it's raining so hard. There's also water on the ground. It's all going to be flowing down into the valley. I heard a crack earlier. We're going to have to walk later and find out what that was. Whoa.
My rocket and did that.
See the water sitting on a driveway? It's raining hard. I love monsoon rains.
Yeah, the that.
No?
We got mine down.
Look at it rain. So awesome. And this happy duty. Nice monsoon rain.
My dad, the guy is gone.
I know.
Hey, my dad will mom have birthday, right?
Today's Friday. You don't have to work tomorrow.
Okay.
Wow, this is crazy.
Whoa, yeah, man.
Look at the puddles. Look at the puddles. Wow, it's coming down. still, it's been like 10 minutes. And 10 minutes of monsoon rain is like probably a couple hours. So she goes. Hold on. Okay. I gotta go rescue the piglet if they're not safe. So that's what I'm coming out to see. If little baby is okay. I do not know where he is. Alright. There's just Mom's view of the water. I'm pissing the pigs off. And just like that, it slows down. And you can't even see any water on the ground because it's all good. It wicks away real quick here.
Mom, me and Dad.
But I bet it's super muddy out there.
And me and Dad. Dad phone and me and Mom.
It'll be gone in 10 minutes. A mud puddle. It'll be gone in 10 minutes. This was empty before the rain. I know, that was a big flash.
It's on a fire, Mom.
It won't start a fire, too much rain fell. It did wash off everything now. All the dust, and I'm hoping it wasn't as isolated as it looked. Thought it was over. We'll see if it starts again. Had to save her from the flood in the pig pen. No tiny thing. Like a 7-minute storm. I mean, I'll take that, right? But looks like we're gonna get round 2. Look at my mud puddles, isn't that cool?